What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we are gonna take a look at the next 2025 Matchbox 5-pack. A while ago I bought 3 different of these 5-packs for a very good price, €5 per set. That's a pretty good deal, so you pay €1 per model. And for this price you don't get Matchbox mainlines anymore these days. And yeah, by the way, they had more sets than I bought, but some of these 5-packs are just not my cup of tea, and then I don't buy them. But this one here is a pretty good set. It's the Matchbox Airport II Set. So guess what? There was an Airport 1 set, and I think it came out in 2022, and I also did a video about the first Matchbox Airport set. And guess what? That was my most viewed YouTube video ever. I presented 3 different Matchbox 5-packs, including the Airport 1 set. And this video has around, I don't know, 150,000 views. No idea why is that. I put a link to that in the description below. Anyways, we take a look at our Matchbox Airport set. First of all, here on the side is the cover art. So we see our airport bus, or the Swift Shuttle it is called. And if you take a look here on the side, we have only unlicensed models except our security car, the Ford Police Interceptor. But, I don't care. This is a pretty neat set in my opinion. So yeah, let's take a look at the models. And let's slide them out, and let's start from the top with this thing here, which is the Swift Shuttle. And as you can see, it's one of these airport buses that you might have already seen when you're at the airport. I mean, of course, some people complain about scale and all that stuff. A bus is bigger than a car, but that's how they do it here at Matchbox. Otherwise, the stuff wouldn't fit in the box. I think this is pretty cool. Very nice version, blue metal base. The rest is plastic, of course. And I do have another version from the first airport set, Airport 5-pack that I bought, which is this one here. And yeah, once again, unlicensed castings, but I think this stuff is pretty neat. It's something that I do like. And once again, I always mention that the more versions of one casting you have, in my opinion, the more you are going to like it, because you have all these different liveries, and yeah, that looks very cool when you display them next to each other. So yeah, that was the Swift Shuttle, and we go on with the only licensed model in this set, which is the Ford Police Interceptor. And yeah, this one comes with what does it say on the side? Airport support vehicle. And yeah, we get this light bar on top, our push bar on the front, and yeah, unfortunately only deco on the side, but it's something that we are used to when it comes to Matchbox mainlines. And yeah, I think all of these models in this set here are come with a new deco. And when I saw this one, I thought I have already seen it, but then I went through my collection and I saw this one here. And they do look a little bit similar in my opinion. Of course, if you put them next to each other, you see that this is definitely not the same deco, but yeah, it's the same color scheme. And I love this color scheme, this Matchbox color scheme, by the way. It's yellow, orange, and red combined with the white livery of the car. Looks very good in my opinion. So yeah, I do have some other versions, by the way, of the Ford Police Interceptor. I thought I have more, but we have this one here, and plain silver one. This one comes with details on the front. and on the back, so it's a nice comparison. And then we had the 70 years anniversary version. Okay, let's put these to the side. Our security vehicle in the parking lot. And we go on with the Runway Wrangler in white and orange. I mean, you don't have too many or too much metal on this guy here. It's a lot of plastic, so only this top part here that you can see is metal. The base is also plastic, and also these orange parts, of course. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not an expert for airport vehicles. I don't know if this, I think it's not a pushback car. Is it a pushback car? I don't know. Anyways, we saw another version in the Airport I Set, which was the guy you see right here. I think there are only one or two more versions of this Runway Wrangler, but these two are all that I have. Let's put this one into the parking lot. As we go on with the Petrol Pumper, at least that's what our packaging here is saying. As you can see here in the background, the Petrol Pumper. Focus. Here on the base, this thing says utility truck for some reason, but yeah, we call it a Petrol Pumper. It's a nice name for this one, also with this very nice Matchbox color scheme, in my opinion. Of course, only the cab, or it's not only the cab, also this back part is also metal down here, but of course the whole tank here is plastic, and the base also. But this one looks really good. Our Petrol Pumper. This one here was the version from the first airport set, airport gas tanker. And I have another version from a set I can't remember. Guess it was also a 5-pack. This one's just saying jet fuel. Yeah. Very nice. And let's get to our last one, which is this one here. This is called Hardnoze. And yeah, it's one of these fire trucks that you can see at airports. Yeah, we have these red tinted windows and all that stuff. I mean, it looks a little bit spacey. I don't know. Yeah, only the base is metal in nice, what is that, lime green. Yeah, I don't have another version of this guy here. I think there are only two other versions, when I'm right. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. But yeah, it's also something I like. And yeah, I hope they do more versions of this. So yeah, that one was the last one of our Matchbox Airport II set. And as always, at the end of these videos, I'm picking a favorite, and well, I have to say it's this one here, the Petrol Pumper, or utility truck, whatever you call it. I love this Matchbox livery. It's a very cool color combination, in my opinion, and yeah, just looking good. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.